are talking about COVID. We are talking about COVID warriors and what you should do to protect yourself against this pandemic. Okay. We are not going to disclose numbers. We are not going to disclose numbers. Things will happen, right? Things will happen. That will happen against us. This is, I believe, the way nature, God is telling us, please, God is telling us that, you know, humanity is important. I think somewhere we forgot humanity. So this is God's way of saying that this planet is for everybody, not only for human beings. So I start with a disclaimer clause as always, right? But I don't think today anything I would say will be negative, but just in case, right? The disclaimer clause. Yes, my gurus, Dr. Shrikant, Dr. Parimal Merchant, and all of you SPJ and colleagues, I've learned a lot from you all, each one of you all. You're an achiever. I am trying to help you all, but I am learning a lot in this, right? And my social media partners, all of you all, because this is going to go on the YouTube channel of Menon Mantras. And this is going to be felicitation of COVID warriors. And very importantly, इसमें डॉक्टर दिलीप पवार आपके बारे में बात करेंगे कि आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं ये पैंडेमिक के सामने फेस करने के लिए. सो आई दोनों हिंदी इंग्लिश में बात करूंगा. आई एम मोर कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश दो, राइट. माय स्पेशल गेस्ट है सीए आश्लेषा, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है मेरा बच्ची. उनके बाजू में मिस्टर अमर, हिज her husband, who is a lawyer and a company secretary, a wonderful pair, just newly married. She Aslesha has devoted the last, just newly married, about 6 months possibly, right? If I'm not wrong, 6 months. At the last 90 days, she Aslesha has been working only for Hunger Collective. I think सबको पता है Hunger Collective के बारे में, जो गरीबों को खाना पहुंचाता है. तो मैंने अमर जी को भी बोला ये सेशन अटेंड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि आश्लेषा जी कुछ अच्छा कर पा रहे हैं तो it is because of family support, and that family support is Amar's mother. राइट. आई आया नहीं सेशन में, लेकिन आई को भी नमस्कार. राइट. इनका फैमिली का सपोर्ट बहुत जरूरी है. अगर मैं कुछ कर पा रहा हूँ आज, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ माय सपोर्ट फ्रॉम फैमिली, राइट. एंड आई थिंक दैट गोज फॉर ईच वन ऑफ यू. इट गोज फॉर दिलीप सर ऑल्सो, राइट. सो यस, टुडे आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू ऑल नॉट टू डोनेट फॉर हंगर कलेक्टिव. टुडे आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू ऑल टू डोनेट फॉर दिस चाइल्ड हु इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर. अगर आप लोग को लगे आपको कंट्रीब्यूट करना है, this is a very good suggestion from one of my kids. I love you all. Feedback आते रहते हैं सर, थोड़ा ट्रैक चेंज कीजिए सर. हंगर कलेक्टिव तो है ही, लेकिन एल्डर्स आर आल्सो फीलिंग हंग्री. एल्डरली मूवमेंट पे कुछ कीजिए. तो मैं इमीडिएटली आश्लेषा जी को बोला, उधर थोड़ा काम किया हम लोग ने. किसी ने बोला मुंबई डब्बा वाला, उधर थोड़ा काम किया. किसी ने बोला आसाम फ्लड्स. साले हम लोग राजस्थान का गवर्नमेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. आप लोग को पता है क्या आसाम में क्या हो रहा है? कोई रिपोर्ट भी नहीं कर रहा है. आसाम हमारा इंडिया का पार्ट नहीं है क्या? और हम लोग राजस्थान का पायलट साहब का बात कर रहे हैं क्या? वेयर आर वी गोइंग एज ए कंट्री? एनीवे, दिस किड इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर. दिस इज अ सर्टिफिकेट दैट वाज गिवन टू बी कोकिलाबाई एंड धीरूभाई अंबानी हॉस्पिटल, राइट. बहुत तकलीफ में वो लोग, राइट. टोटल थेरेपी का 1 लाख रुपया है, राइट. मैं थोड़ा अपना कर रहा हूँ, सब लोग अपना थोड़ा थोड़ा कर लीजिए अगर करना है तो, राइट. वीकली इंजेक्शन कॉस्टिंग 5,000, मंथली 20,000. करंटली ही इज नॉट ऑन एनी एक्टिव थेरेपी, बट ही मे नीड इट इन फ्यूचर. ये सब जो लैंग्वेज है ये डॉक्टर दिलीप साहब भी बता सकते हैं, मुझे नहीं मालूम. बट आज ये टॉपिक है ही नहीं, लेकिन मैं पढ़ भी नहीं सकता हूँ ये टॉपिक. जो भी है, कुछ तो डेंजरस डिसीज है ये बच्चे को. अगर आपको डोनेट करना है कैंसर पेशेंट को, ये है, आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. 100 रुपीज, 200 रुपीज, जो आप कर सकते हैं. करना है तो प्लीज कर लीजिए, राइट. आई डोंट इवन नो दिस किड, बट इट हैज कम थ्रू अ वेरी रिलायबल सोर्स. और मेरा ये सोर्स है, एक बच्चा है उदय करके, आई थिंक ही इज लिसनिंग टू मी. वो सोशल सर्विस की, ही हैज हिज ओन टेक्सटाइल यूनिट, और वो सोशल सर्विस करते हैं करुणा सेवा करके, राइट. और ये बच्चे ने बहुत जन को खाना पहुंचाया है, राइट. ऑफकोर्स, राइट. ही इज एसोसिएटेड विद हंगर कलेक्टिव आल्सो. तो उनके थ्रू आया कि सर आप कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? मैं बोला मैं भी कुछ करूंगा और अपील भी करूंगा संडे को, जो भी बन सके. डोंट कंट्रीब्यूट टू मच, बट व्हाटएवर लिटिल यू कैन, राइट. मे बी 3 digits also is okay. Don't go to 4 digits. 3 digits is also okay, and it's about a good karma. And I'm very selfish. So I've always said that in Telegram, I want people to do business. So आज एक selfish motive ये भी है कि I want to introduce one of my dear colleagues, right, जिनका अपना uniforms का दुकान है. They are not only दुकान, they have got a factory of corporate and industrial uniforms. This is a colleague, and I want to do this for everybody. तो next time मैं calves and leaves के बारे में बात करूँगा, right? So please donate to this kid, right, if you can. And if you are in need of uniforms, please contact this gentleman. His name is Mr. Rajesh. This is a company that has been started by founder, and Dr. Dilip Pawar would love to know. It is Sri Dattatreya Dambe ji and his wife, Rajesh ji's mother, Sharda ma'am. Namaste. These are the wonderful people behind the show now. Second generation है, दूसरा generation है. राजेश जी है और राहुल जी संभाल रहे हैं. उनका पूरा परिवार है. I know this family through Sheetal ma'am because Sheetal ma'am works with my wife and she is a great teacher. तो और अभिषेक मेरा बच्चा है. अभिषेक दामे तो is my kid. I've seen him grow up in front of me. They are neighbors. Okay. तो ये है, they are the founders. So if you are interested in uniform, namaste to them. If you are interested, this is a lovely family. Sheetal Miss, Rajesh ji, this is, and of course Abhishek, Rahul ji, right, and his lovely family, right? Yes, grandfather with grandchild, right? A lot of happiness there. Life is about that. Yes, these are their valuable customers, right? And in case anybody is in need of uniforms, 2-minute appeal, you can contact them directly. Please contact them directly. Right, or you can write to me and I will connect you in case you need uniforms. Okay, they are already supplying to these very valuable customers, Honda Cars, Ashok Leyland, Arya Motors, Sharayu Motors, Vaman Hare Pete Jewelers, all 24 branches in India. So I think all over India वो लोग supply कर सकते हैं. ये उनके factory है and God bless these workers. Right, ये उनका काम है जो चल रहा है. ये उनके designs है. Mitsubishi Motors के लिए किया हुआ है, Suzuki के लिए किया हुआ है. ये कुछ ग्लोइंग है, कुछ अलग ही है. मतलब आप लोग पहचान सकते हो. मैंने अपना फैक्ट्री नहीं है तो आप लोग पहचान सकते हो आगे पीछे. राइट, ऑफ कोर्स महिंद्रा के लिए इन्होंने सप्लाई किया है. ये कुछ DFCCIL के लिए सप्लाई किया हुआ है. टाटा मोटर्स, दिस जेंटलमैन लुक्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन दैट यूनिफॉर्म बट आई थिंक यू कुड स्माइल अ बिट बेटर, बट एनीवे गॉड ब्लेस हिम. राइट, टाटा मोटर्स का लेडी है. निसान, गॉड ब्लेस. टाटा मोटर्स अगेन, SK हाई व्हील्स. सो दिस इज ऑल एक आज 10 स्लाइड्स में दिखा रहा हूँ इनका यूनिफॉर्म्स के लिए. आप लोग प्लीज कांटेक्ट कीजिए अगर आपको रिक्वायरमेंट्स है तो. बाद में आप लोग डायरेक्टली डील कीजिए. फिर मैं पीछे हट गया. अभी मैं ये सब क्यों कर रहा हूँ मुझे पता नहीं. आई गेट इंस्पायर्ड डूइंग दिस. सुजुकी टेक्निकल स्टाफ एंड गॉड ब्लेस. आई एम नॉट श्योर दिस इज ए मैनिक्विन और ए रियल पर्सन बट व्हाटएवर इट इज, इट लुक्स गुड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. SK हाई व्हील्स, ओके, मित्सुबिशी अगेन एंड दैट्स इट. एक्सप्रेस सर्विस. सो ये इनके यूनिफॉर्म्स है. यू कैन प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट मी. I'll give you the reference. या मैं अभी आपको नंबर दे देता हूँ. राइट, इसमें राजेश जी का नंबर मैं दे रहा हूँ. आप लोग मेरे से भी बात कर सकते हैं. मैं टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में भी डाल दूंगा. राजेश जी का नंबर है राइट 98191. सो चैट पे मैं लिखूंगा. कैन somebody chat and write? Ashlesha, have you got access to chat?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you please write Rajesh ji 98191?
Yes.
98191 25134.
134.
98191
Yes.
25134.
Yes.
So जिनको भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है आप डायरेक्टली राजेश जी से बात कीजिए. मैं खुद टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में डाल दूंगा. मेरा दोस्त है. बाकी आप लोग डील कीजिए. जो नेगोशिएशन है आप लोग कर लीजिएगा. ऑलरेडी ऑन ए रिकमेंडेशन इन्होंने सप्लाई किया है प्लैटिनम इंडस्ट्रीज एंड दे आर वेरी हैप्पी. और जैसे ही मेरे को समझा कि कृष्णा राणा इज वेरी हैप्पी, मैं बोला मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म में मैं अपील करूंगा. सो दैट इज इट. तो एक अपील हो गया कैंसर के लिए, दूसरा हो गया बिजनेस के लिए, अभी तीसरा एंड द लास्ट थिंग कोविड वॉरियर्स. Ashlesha, you're doing a great job. I want to publicly thank you for that Hunger Collective. Gani, all of us are very obliged. In fact, Gani was the person who encouraged me first by contributing from United States, right? And all of us, right, at SPJN, all of my students, we are thankful to you. And of course, Rashri ma'am. आप लोग सोचते रहेंगे Rashri ma'am क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि Rashri ma'am's mother has suffered a fracture, and today now she's flying to Chennai with the kid and husband. That's why she couldn't attend. So Rashri ma'am, also thank you very much. You all have done a lot of work for Hunger Collective. Work is still not over. We still need to do it together. Both काम करना है. लोग Monday, Wednesday, Friday Hunger Collective के लिए ही रहेगा, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि अबे हम साथ में बहुत काम करना है. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Ashlesha जी. Thank you, Amar जी. God bless. आपके सपोर्ट के बिना होगा नहीं. मैं हंसने रहा हूँ. मैं बहुत सीरियस हूँ. मस्ती करता हूँ मैं. बट ये आपने जो ये एज में काम किया है, I am inspired. इतना ही मैं बोलूँगा. We have reached Orissa, we have reached Gujarat, we have reached Elephanta Caves, right? When I say we, because I believe I am a part of this movement and we have helped as much as possible. Doctor, अभी ये हो गया Hunger Collective. Keep up the good work, बेटे. इनका बारे में presentation मैं Telegram group में डाल दूंगा. क्या क्या इन्होंने किया है. And I invite both of you all to join our Telegram group because lot of companies have CSR budgets that they don't know where to spend it. So you all can help them in spending their CSR budget and give them a report कि कहाँ पे ये spend हुआ है. तो आई एम श्योर विरल जैन वांट्स टू कंट्रीब्यूट, लेकिन उसको मालूम नहीं पैसा किधर जा रहा है. तो somebody like you can say कि भाई मैं इधर यूज किया, ये आपके लिए रिपोर्ट है. तो आप प्लीज टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कीजिएगा. एंड दिस
Sure,
इज initiative by
yes.
Rajshri, Sai ma'am and you, right? Can you speak about your CSR activity and how you help corporates for 2 minutes before I
Yes,
give it
sure,
to
sir. Sure.
Sir?
So apart from Hunger Collective was our movement which we started after the lockdown began. But over in the last 8 years, Rajeshri has been working for Impacttree Consulting, which is now named as Impacttree Data Technologies, and it is a CSR consultancy firm. So basically CSR, for those who don't know about CSR, वो होता है कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. मतलब अभी जैसे हमारे कंट्री में अभी लॉ आया है सेक्शन 135 ऑफ कंपनीज एक्ट, तो उसके अंडर कंपल्सरीली कंपनीज को उनके प्रॉफिट का एक छोटा हिस्सा, इट कैन बी 1% ऑफ देयर प्रॉफिट्स आल्सो, दे हैव टू कंट्रीब्यूट टुवर्ड्स सोशल एक्टिविटीज. तो ये अभी जब से कंपल्सरी हुआ है तब से देयर हैज बीन an issue in terms of reporting, an issue in terms of how companies know where the amount has gone. Because if we spend, for example, even if we spend like 10 rupees from our pocket, we would always like to know, right, where the amount has gone, to whose benefit was it used. And the traditional aspect of Indian NGOs is that they've been receiving funds from various foreign entities. It could be Bill Gates Foundation, Melinda Gates Foundation, it could be USAID. So these international bodies were investing traditionally. लेकिन अभी जब से मेक इन इंडिया आया है, मोदी जी has started saying that India is self-sufficient, we don't need foreign funds. So after that, foreign funds started sort of drying up. तो उसके बाद CSR was introduced, but the issue mainly has been that the foreign donors were not expecting so much accountability, because they were just giving funds to companies, and people used to spend it as they were. But there was no reporting, no Excel database, nothing. Even the field staff of NGOs finds Excel as a rocket science, to be honest. And the mindset of Indian companies traditionally has always been that this is my input, what is the output, I want the process, I want this, I want that. But what they fail to understand is the social fabric of India, the social culture which is there. That can't be changed overnight. It is not something you press a button and then boom, you get an output. It's not like that. So there has to be an intermediate body जो कि बताए कंपनीज को कि देखो भाई, फील्ड पे इतना इतना काम हुआ है, आपका पैसा यहाँ पे गया है, और वो प्रोसेस में है, और वो प्रोसेस के लिए 1-1.5 साल लगेगा, 1-1.5 साल के बाद हम तुमको ये आउटपुट्स देंगे. So that is something which we are trying to do, and this is not a pro bono thing. Hunger Collective is our pro bono initiative. Impacttree is our business that we are doing, but at the same time it gives us immense satisfaction, where we, like our tagline is, empowering people to do good, empowering people to change the world. And what we personally believe in is, I think we should be the change that we want to see in the world. Everyone keeps complaining that system में ये नहीं है, system में वो नहीं है, government ऐसा है वैसा है, but what is it that we are doing to make the system efficient? As professionals of this country, I believe that we shouldn't be like, अरे social work है तो TISS graduate कर लेंगे, या फिर कोई और कर लेगा, arts वाले कर लेंगे. Why can't someone who's into engineering, someone who's into CA, CS, why can't we also contribute in our own way? I'm not here doing, I'm not on the field, out on the field, helping people out. I'm at the back end, but that also is social work. And मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ये जो social का concept है, development sector का concept है, it's high time that it starts changing in India, because it is something which can be done using a computer screen, using a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. It doesn't need you to go out, help people. It's different nowadays. So I think that should be my time.
Fantastic word. So you can sit at your home and still do social service, is what the message that comes in. Now, one more thing which I want to tell you. Today I have a very special attendee because Dilip Pawar sir is here. My sisters need not be born together. My sister, whom I worked together in SPJMR, Ms. Jayashree Iyer ma'am is here today, and namaste to you. Now all of the other kids will be shocked. Okay, you see that I wanted to send a message. these are challenging times. There is nothing known as, competition and all that bullshit, right? I personally invited Jayashree ma'am. She's a hot favorite of all the FMB students, right? Because she used to take care of them as only she could, right? And welcome, Jayashree ma'am, right? Salute you, the way you used to take care of FMB students, right, in SPJIMR campus. Today's speech, I invited you, ma'am, because today not only is Ashlesha ma'am there, who is doing a superb job, there is somebody out there on the streets who is working. And that gentleman's name is Dr. Dilip Pawar. I met him like Gani in an ITM MBA college. और मैं सोच रहा था ये डॉक्टर साहब कहाँ आ गया यार एक MBA पढ़ने के लिए. और हर क्लास में he used to ask questions which were valid questions, MBA का questions. तभी मैं strategy पढ़ाता था and he used to really ask questions. और मैं सोच रहा था कि why is he taking so much interest? इनको क्या डॉक्टर है यार क्या है? Now I realize his vision. His vision was he wanted to serve the country by joining corporate. अभी इनके achievement सुन लीजिए. He is a COVID warrior. He is a COVID warrior. Okay. हम लोग ने सब काम किया है. सब लोग लॉकडाउन का रोना धोना होता है. इनका आपने डीपी भी देखेगा ना तो आप डर जाओगे. अभी इनका अचीवमेंट्स बताता हूं मैं आपको. इनको पहला he has been given, सुन लीजिए सब लोग, the Guinness Book of World Record for conducting self screening of breast examination in 2016. Guinness Book का gentleman है. He has presented papers. मैं सब पढ़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. मैं पढ़ते रहेगा ना आधा घंटा निकल जाएगा. Okay, उतना अचीवमेंट है मेरे दोस्त का. He doesn't like it. He is a ultra marathoner. Who is an MD, right? He's an MD, he's an MBA, right? Now he's working. अभी COVID-19 का एक्सपीरियंस. अभी देखिए मैं सब बोलते जाऊंगा ना तो फिर आपका ना ये मैं CV डाल दूंगा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में और 2-3 चीज इनके बारे में बताता हूँ. पेपर्स, नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल प्रेजेंटेशंस, कुछ एक 15-20 पेपर्स प्रेजेंट किया है उन्होंने. इंटरनेशनल प्रेजेंटेशन इज नॉट ए जोक. आई हैव प्रेजेंटेड ओनली वन, वो भी इतना मुश्किल से, राइट? ही हैज प्रेजेंटेड 15. ही इज वर्किंग फॉर द कॉर्पोरेट. अभी नाउ
Menon sir, only one correction. International paper presentations are more than hundreds.
Whoa. I'm sorry.
International publications are 175.
Can I have a clap for him, please? And can I have a chat for this on the chat, please, all of you all? I don't know what to say because इधर मेरे पास जो आया था मैं वो डेटा से जा रहा हूँ. Sir, you are God blessed. Now look at his COVID-19 experiences. He could have sat at home. वो head है, multinational company का head है. So he could have sat at home saying क्या करना है. उतरे जमीन पे. And he is not a doctor. उतरे every night इनका मैसेज आता है. Every night इधर डोनेशन किया, इधर ये किया, इधर वो किया. He was been felicitated. अभी देखिए started, दो चीज बताता हूँ. Sir, correct me if I'm wrong. Started working in Corona OPD from 27 March 2020. जैसे ही लॉकडाउन अनाउंस किया इन्होंने we went on the street, worked with hospital administration for developing corona ward at OPD, right? And he's been an honorary doctor, right? He has donated many PPE kits. अभी मैं वो सब डालने जाऊंगा ना. Every night कुछ ना कुछ उनका आता है मैसेज मुझे. And I'm blessed to know him. कभी PPE kits donate करते हैं, कभी oxygen kits donate करते हैं. And of course he is a great motivational speaker. सर आपको कुछ अवार्ड भी मिला था ना रेड क्रॉस का, वो भी जरा बता दीजिए ना सर प्लीज.
So recently got 2 awards. One of the prestigious Times of India award for this corona, then Red Cross Society award, and I am happy also to announce that today I'll be getting the national award by Indian Medical Association. So these are all little contribution from my side, and next week I'm bringing the highest donation for PP kits. So I'll be donating around 32,000 PP kits and 32,000 N95 masks.
With this introduction, I will now halt because that's it. I wanted to present this gentleman. Baki to unka hai. This is his brief introduction. I will stop share now. आज का सेशन का इंट्रोडक्शन ऐसा है. मैंने आश्लेषा जी का इंट्रोडक्शन किया, अमर जी का किया, डॉक्टर दिलीप साहब के बारे में थोड़ा कुछ बोला. Now, what is it about today's session? Today's session is all about how do you face this pandemic? That's all, as simple as that. I now stop, sir. Thank you very much, Dilip sir, for coming in spite of your hectic schedules. Over to you, sir. Over to you, Doctor sir, please.
Yeah. So good morning once again, all of you. Again, a pleasure to be with all of you. And thanks to Menon sir, I always call him sir because he is my teacher, is my guru. And one thing I tell to all students, whatever stage in life you reach, never ever forget your teachers. Never ever. So even till date, I'm still in touch with all my school teachers. Of course, my MBBS teachers, MD teachers, like I did MBA, so I'm in touch with a lot of my ITM teachers and colleagues. So I have very strong bonding with teachers, and people say कि once you are in touch with Dr. Power, that means you have a lifelong friend. So I always say that if you want, you can always find the time. Before starting this Corona, one of the question people ask me, like, how you can be in touch with so many people? If I want to say in my mobile number, I have around 8,000 contacts. So people will tell how you manage to get in touch. So one of the reason I tell them that you should make the maximum utilization of your time. And as Menon sir had said that I'm in corporate and I travel a lot. Lot means half of the time I'm abroad, half of the time in India. On an average, every year, like 2 years back, I've taken on close to 300 flights in a year. Last year, before lockdown, around 200 flights in a year. So people say how you can manage and how you. So one thing I tell, you make the maximum use of the time. For example, whenever we go to airport, so you have at least 2 hours before you reach. So what you do? So in these 2 hours, I'll do a lot of things. And I started enjoying my own company. I always tell people, sometime maybe when we're talking on some motivation, I will tell, learn to talk to yourself. This is art. And sometimes what happens, the people will come, the flight people will come and they will say, okay, we are sorry to announce that your flight is 1 hour or 2 hours late. Everybody gets violent, they start abusing. I am the only one who feel very happy. Arey yaar, 2 ghanta aur mil gaya. And these 2 hours I utilize the maximum. Okay. In fact, again, I will be the last person to board the flight because I'm finishing all the work. Okay. To cut short, this is all time management, especially important for students and especially important for all the busy people who always tell we don't have time. So I strongly disagree. And there's a saying, the most busiest person will always find to do the most things. Okay. So with that, I'll come to today's topic. As Menon sir rightly said,
Sir, can you repeat that line? The most busiest person?
The most busiest person will always do the most of the things.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Fantastic. Fantastic.
And that's what I have learned and that's what I follow. Okay. People will always tell there's no time, but we will always find out time. So that's one thing we should know. As Menon sir rightly said, I'm in corporate and good life abroad, and there was no compulsion, to be frank with you, to do this work. But when we saw that this corona is invading our country and it was announced that our government needs some doctors. In fact, I was the second doctor in Maharashtra who joined this. Okay, all voluntarily. And I took special approval from my corporate or from my managing director that I want to work for this. And of course, they have immediately agreed and they said, no problem. So now I'm managing both the things. So I'm working on my corporate things, all the projects I'm doing, everything I'm doing, plus half day or 3-4 days spent in corona wards. So we started corona OPD, we started corona wards, we started treating patients. I must have treated at least more than 1,000 patients till now. Okay, a lot of patients, there was a lot of panic. So we developed a lot of quarantine centers. And not only that, I'm very good at doing research in newer drugs. So corona is new. So nobody knows what treatment should be given. So we started developing the different protocol. So I'm working with Seven Hill Hospital, which is the largest COVID hospital in the Mumbai. So we started developing different protocols and we saw the results. One of the examples I'll give you, that tocilizumab is an injection. Okay, difficult to pronounce. Tocilizumab is an injection which is used in emergency cases. So I was the first one to use these injections at Seven Hill Hospital because it is used in some complication. Okay, we donated a lot of injection to different hospitals. I told them this is very good result. Why don't you try? After the initial results, we saw that the results are very good and it went like a wildfire. And I wish to tell you that now this injection is so much in demand in the India that it is not available in any of the stores. You must have read in paper there was a queue for around 2 kilometers to get that injection. So we were the one who started using these injections. Then apart from this, then there are different treatments patterns which you have developed. I will not go into technical details because that is for doctors to handle. But what one of the new things which we have found, which I want to share on this platform and which you should tell to all your family members, distant friends, everyone, that we have found the steam inhalation, the plain water steam inhalation is giving dramatic results as a prophylactic as well as for treatment. Now, what is prophylactic? Prophylactic means you take something as a prevention so that you don't get the disease. That is prophylaxis. And treatment, of course, once the patient gets COVID, then you treat. So we have seen those who get COVID and those patients whom we put on steam inhalation, they are getting negative in 5 to 7 days. There's a proper study we have done, which I am going to publish again. One study I have done at Seven Hills Hospital. One study I have done in LTM Medical College, which we popularly call as San Hospital. So that also we are publishing. So take home message, everyone should start taking steam inhalation at least twice a day. Tell this information to everyone. And we have seen those who are on steam inhalation, 90% of the people will not get any infection. Okay, there is a huge scientific background. I will not go into the science because there is too much of pathophysiology which help you to assist develop the immune system and the fighter cells which take care of this. Only 2 lines I will say how it helps, because this virus will enter majorly from your nose or mouth. So mouth we always advise hot water drinking and all, which I am going to cover. But steam inhalation as a prevention, what will happen? When the steam comes, it is around 100 degrees. By it reaches your nose, 90 degrees. When it travels, so it will reach up to 60 degrees when it goes to your lungs. So what happens? This virus gets killed somewhere around 56 to 60 degrees centigrade. So most of the virus which are harboring in your nasal passage, in the nasal sinuses, it gets stuck there and there are receptors. And then they multiply there. And then this will invade inside the respiratory tract. And one of the biggest complication is your respiratory complication, where the people with having comorbid condition, means those who have diabetes and immune system disorders, so they will get affected. But those who are on steam, 90% will be taken care of. So please, this is one of the, if you want to ask me the take-home message, this is one of the biggest take-home message. Go and buy a steamer. A small steamer is available in medical shop, though it is an acute shortage. So buy that, take steam inhalation. All the family members should take, all your friends, you advise them to take this. It will really help, so that we will be able to curtail this infection. And this, I'm sure that this again, like the tocilizumab injection, this will also spread in different. I'm going to produce a small video clip on this, which I will send to Menon sir, which he can then later forward how it can be prevented. Okay. So coming back to the main topic now. Again, there's still a lot of fear in people's mind about corona and when it's going to end and what is the path of it. So briefly, I'll cover some of the preventions which you all should take. And now what? From this date onwards, what is the pathway we should adopt so that we can take care of ourselves, our family, and country at large? Okay? Because we all are part of this society and we are all part of this country, and it's our own responsibility to take care of ourselves. And also, if somebody is doing wrong, then you should also point out in a subtle way that what they need to do. Okay. And then what we can devote maybe around 10-15 minutes or something for question answers. So you can ask this question, Menon sir can then tell me question too, and we can tackle it, because there are n number of questions. You know, some lady other day called up and they said, "Is corona spread while talking on phone with a corona positive patient?" So, you know, so this kind of also question comes. But no question is a faltu question, or you can say whether I should ask this, whether it will show my ignorance. You should never fear of asking questions in your life. So it doesn't matter if you're wrong, doesn't matter, it may be a silly question, but you should get your all doubts clear. Okay, now let's come to some of the practical things for common people, for common students, for common parents, what we need to do. Now the first and foremost, because we have been telling the basic simple thing, wear mask. This is very, very important. Whenever you're stepping out, wear mask. That is the first important principle. I slightly go back to the WHO statement. I don't know if you are following that. WHO initially said that wearing mask is not mandatory, and those who are having COVID infection, they should only wear mask. In fact, we were the one, then I was one of the in the front line who said, no, this is a wrong statement. Everyone should wear mask for the simple logic, because this is slightly, now earlier it was said it was a droplet infection, but we said it is droplet as well as airborne infection, because somebody is coughing, so that particles will be there in the air for some time. If you are sitting in an AC room and somebody coughs or somebody, so that air is circulation within that room, so it stays for 3 hours. Okay, and somebody, other person who enters inside without mask, he will get infected. Okay, so these were all the practical. So we were the one who told no, it is important, but WHO were against. They said no, only those ones. Then after few weeks, WHO changed the stand, and then they came with the stand that no, everyone has to wear the mask. So again, what is the moral of the story? That don't be afraid if you have a valid point. You put forward your point. Otherwise, WHO itna bada hai. It is such a large organization. All intelligent people are sitting there. And what is the value of my suggestion? So don't go by that. Go by with your passion. Go by what you think is right. Of course, provided with a lot of scientific backup we had. Then what we did, then we wrote to Government of Maharashtra. So I had a discussion with the PA of the Chief Minister. I said, wearing mask is very important and it should be made mandatory. Well, no, people are not wearing masks. So if you remember, the government had issued a circular that wearing mask is mandatory, and that was based on our suggestion. And if you don't wear, you will be fined for that. So sometimes what happens, you have to make it mandatory. Again, here I say, don't be afraid. If you're right, go. I had a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister, face-to-face meeting, and we said all those things. Of course, team inhalation also one of the discussion. So like that, wearing mask is very important. Nowadays, mask wearing has become a style. If you see a lot of people are wearing mask, and the moment they enter the cabin, they will remove the mask. Itna der to lagaya maine. See, that is the most time where you have to wear the mask, you are removing the mask. Other things, while wearing the mask, people will wear the mask and they will open the nose. They will, if you see a lot of people walking on the road, they will only cover the nose. So what is the fun in wearing the mask? So if I see people doing that, I will stand. I don't know them, but I will tell them, boss, you have to wear the mask, put it on your nose. बोलता आपको क्या फर्क बोलता है? नहीं, फर्क गिरता है हमको. Because this is society, you are living in a society and you can be a threat to other people. So you have to request them that they have to wear proper mask if they are moving out, because he may be carrier. You never know. And when they come in contact with the other people, they will get infected. That's why it is important to wear the mask. And some point people will wear the mask and they will put around their neck and they will roam freely. मतलब क्यों ऐसा क्यों पहना? नहीं, पुलिस आएगा तो ऐसा करेगा मैं. So are you just wearing the mask because of the fear, or you are interested in taking care? It is like wearing the seat belt. So don't wear seat belt for police. Wear it for yourself. Okay. So it is very important that you. That's what I'm saying. That you are not alone. You are a part of a system. You are part of a family, and you are part of the whole country. So what I say, that even a small activity, don't think that मैं खाली नीचे पहना तो क्या फर्क गिरता है, ऐसा attitude मत रखिए, बहुत फर्क गिरता है. And collectively we have to win this disease, win this race. Corona हारेगा, India जीतेगा is a slogan, but for that only handful of people cannot do, only handful of government people cannot do, only handful of doctors cannot do. Everybody has limitation, so everybody has to join this fight. And the biggest important thing, wearing proper mask, and if somebody is not doing his duty, you should ask them that they need to do it. The reason I've told you, because people can be infected, they are not aware. And what is the percentage of this? If you see, 30 to 40% of the people are carrier. So if you are walking in a group of 100, averagely 30 to 40 people may spread the infection. Now why? What is the risk? So what happens? Those who are young, they may be the carrier. But what happened? Those who are elderly people, especially those who are above 50. So I think many of the parents will be above 50, many of the grandparents will be above 70. Okay. So you may go out like a hero. Correct. Herogiri karke aa gaya ghar pe. Barabar. But at your home, you have parents, you have grandparents. And what happened? Now they get infected. Because you are carrier, you don't have any symptom. Recently, I treated one of the senior IPS officer and his family. The whole family got infected. So this is what happens. So again, prevention is always better. wearing mask is mandatory if you are going out, because it is a risk to elderly population. Now, who is at the risk in general? So those who are above 50 or 60 years. So above 60 years, everybody should take tremendous precaution. And above 50, those who have comorbid condition. Comorbid matlab kya? Comorbid means those who have any additional disease with them. For example, the main important is diabetes. So a lot of people who have diabetes, if you see, the incidence of getting that infected is very, very high. Then those who have lung problem, for example, those who had passed some disease of lung like tuberculosis or some fibrosis, they are again having major issues. Asthmatic people again, they are prone for this disease because this affects the lung. Okay, so these people should take precaution and they should be constantly wearing the mask. Okay, now in prevention, I'm not sure whether last time I told, but prevention, what are the other things you all should do, which is mandatory? Then I'll come what things you need to follow. First, I have asked all the people above 16 years, they should take vitamin C tablet 500 milligram once a day. Then zinc tablet or Zincovit, 1 tablet once a day. Now this continue at least for 1 to 2 months, because I'm expecting this pandemic will go somewhere up to August, the rising period. Then it will start settling down because we have drugs now available. Okay, so at least have this too. And along with this, compulsory steam inhalation to everyone. So the second take home message, please follow this 3 dictum. You can quote my name, that as advised by Dr. Pawar, please do these 3 things. And if you have elderly parents or elders at house, mandatory give this, and plus stimulation mandatory for them all, because it requires discipline and you need to be disciplined to follow this. So this will take care as a prophylaxis for another 2 months or 3 months. This will take care. So 90% of the population you will be taking care. Then it becomes easier to treat 10% of the population. Now what is happening? So much of number of people are infected. There are no beds in Mumbai, in Maharashtra. If you see, if you want a bed, just try getting a bed in any hospital. Is a nightmare. It's a nightmare to get even a bed. And once if somebody gets a bed in private, then it's a nightmare paying the bills. Okay, so don't fall in it. So prevention, again coming, prevention is also better. Okay, now this covers the first part where prevention is very, very important and what everybody should do. There is no exemption for everyone. Now come to the practical things. Now a lot of people ask practical things, what we need to do, what we need to follow. There are small questions like who should go out to market, whether I should do exercise. There are so many questions will come. So I'll cover that, the important things, and then we'll have some question answer session. Now first, very important, whenever you go out. So first of all, if it is not a mandatory activity, not a compulsory activity, so avoid going out frequently. Second, those who are young should prefer to go outside if you have some work like going to vegetable vendor, going to a shopping area, getting something for them. So young people should go. Next, whenever anybody comes from outside, of course he has to go with the mask. Okay, and don't exchange mask. मतलब आज मैंने पहना, कल दूसरा पहनेगा, तीसरा मेरा दोस्त ने पहना. Don't do that. Separate, keep your mask separate. You can note down, this is my mask, or best way to is put a bag. If it is a cloth mask, once you use for that day, then wash it. Then next day use another mask. So keep a set of 4-5 masks. Okay, very, very important. And then you can wash that mask and reuse that. Fashion ke liye people are wearing that N95 mask and all this mask, which is not required for you at all. Let's keep those masks for doctors. Okay, there's actually shortage of mask itself. So that is not required for general people. A simple good cloth mask or any good mask is sufficient for you all to take care of yourself. Then after going home, what? We have seen a lot of people, they will not put the clothes for washing. And that's another reason the spread is happening. So once you go home, all the clothes what you're wearing, mandatory you have to put for washing. No using the clothes again. Once you go outside in the market or anywhere and you come back, you have to put all the, and preferably take a bath. Take a bath. Of course, if somebody is visiting any hospital and everything, then you have to take bath from your hair onwards. But in the market and all, at least you have to put all the clothes for washing and take a bath. Okay, so this is mandatory. Next thing, lot of spread happens with the bags you are using. If you see in the society, a lot of people use plastic bags, and it has been observed this virus gets stuck to this plastic bags for almost 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours. So of course you have to sanitize, but the bag will also contain the virus. So ideally, I always advise people to have 2 sets of bags. Okay, preferably use cloth bags. Have 2 sets of bags. One bag, whatever you bring from outside, then transfer those items into another bag from your home and take that inside. So your risk is minimized a lot. Okay, so divide these 2 bags. Other most important thing is your shoes. We have seen a lot of families, lot of flats, they have shoe rack inside the house and they bring the shoes inside. So as a rule, once you go out, don't ever bring your shoes inside the house, because we have seen in Italy, one of the main reason of spreading this infection was because of this, because people had gone to hospital, people had gone to market, and this virus was sitting on the shoes, on the leathers. So leathers is the place which survived for 7 days, not hours now. And in foreign countries, what happened? They will walk with the shoes inside. Okay, and this virus was one of the reasons. So please don't, first of all, avoid using leather shoes. If you're wearing, keep all the shoes, your chappals outside the house. Mandatory. Avoid using leather belts. Avoid using leather belts. A lot of people have told, stop wearing belts for some time. Stop wearing the watch for some time. You have a mobile, you get time and everything. For last 4 months, I am not wearing the watch. And then I realized without watch also zindagi chal sakta hai. Okay, lot of time we are finding new things. One funny incident I will tell you, not part of this, but just reminded. Earlier, a lot of my friends and lot of my people are saying, "Arey, I am very busy doctor. 3 महीने का appointment, 3 महीने, and patients to call a doctor, he is your friend, 3 महीने का appointment नहीं मिल रहा है, can you please advise?" Now what happened? There are no appointments. Still all are fine at their home. Okay, अभी emergency नहीं हो रहा है. Nobody is calling me, doctor, please take appointment. No, we don't want appointment. Risk hai. So when life can be survived now, then that was a myth created. Boss, I am busy. 3 महीने का appointment है. अरे, what is the requirement? Just telephone से बात करके खत्म करो. Patient का भी पैसा बचेगा, तुम्हारा भी time बचेगा. So lot of myths which has been created have been now cleared by this infection. Okay. So coming back to this, of course, chappals, everything you have to keep outside. The other thing which people are not noting is the use of currency notes. What happens? We carry a wallet. We go to the market, whatever money we get in the market, we will keep in the same place, same money. Same thing will carry inside. Okay. So that can additional source of infection. So what I advise, stop taking your wallets outside. Okay. Just keep some currency in a plastic or some plastic small pouch or packet. Take that money. So whatever money you get from outside, keep everything in that side and don't open it at home again. उसमें का पैसा खर्चा हो गया. If there is no money, you put additional money into that, but don't transfer money from your house into that and from that pocket into one. So that's another area where you can reduce the infection. So these are the few things which you should do. Apart from that, as I said, because the other area where this bacteria harbors is your oral cavity, throat. So keep drinking hot water. In fact, the concept of cold drinks are almost gone for last 4 months. Very few, except those who take alcohol and all, I don't know, they will take this cold drinks and all. Otherwise, nobody is now fond of cold drinks. So warm water. So that will be the part of the life. If you go in Japan, I've been using Japan so frequently, they are vending machines of hot water and green tea, hot green tea. So while taking food, they will always have this tea. Very good habit. So intermittently, those who are above 40, they should keep drinking green tea. Warm green tea is very good because it has free radicals. It clears your throat and it kills the bacteria. Okay, so that That is the additional advantage what we'll get by drinking warm water. Okay, so what we have seen, how we should first take care of ourselves. Okay, when we go out, what are the precautions we should take for ourselves, for other people, what are the things we should be avoided, and when at home, how we have to take precaution, and what are the medications we have to take. Okay, so these are the few things which we have discussed as a part of prevention. Now way forward how we have to deal life, because we have to move forward. So it is also important now way forward how we should do. So a lot of people will ask now.
Dr. Pawar, can I
Yes.
just, with your permission, 1 minute, can I just interrupt?
Yes, talk loudly.
Yeah, so colleagues, it's very simple. What Dr. Sir is saying is ensure you have proper masks, don't interchange masks, ensure that you cover it properly. Last time Sir said don't keep it in your chin, wo chin ka style ke liye mat dalo, cover it up properly. In case you find other people in society not doing it, please get down and talk to them and say, please, it is not only for you, it is for society. Do it politely, do it very politely. Leather belt should be avoided. It's a big lesson for me today. Leather wallets also should be avoided. Again, big lesson for me today. Right, currency notes, yes, you may have to use it as long as possible. Right, the bigger colleagues here like Hitenji and others, please use digital. Bacche log jo hai, right, if you have to use currency, don't keep it in a plastic wallet. Extremely critical that that you may be asymptomatic. That means 30% of people are carriers. You don't realize it. Okay, and then you come home and you spread that infection to the elders and seniors. Right, sir also mentioned that, you know, Italy may problem. Beautiful, sir. Italy may problem tha, they were using leather shoes and that stays for 7 days. Right, wahan se takleef hua hai. And one more very important thing sir said is drink hot water regularly. It is good. Steaming kijiye. And for the colleagues who are wondering, last week आए थे sir, तो sir ने 2-3 चीज बताया, मैं बोला पूरा session ही कर दीजिए. So there were 3 things that you said, vitamin C, right, vitamin C, Zincovit, and one more thing, sir. If you can just repeat, please, sir. I missed that one point, sir.
No, so 3 things. One is vitamin C, either zinc or Zincovit, and third is steam inhalation.
Okay, thank you, sir. Please continue, sir. Please continue.
Okay, so this what you should do now. Way forward, what we should do now. You cannot sit at home throughout. So yes, you have to go out, but you have to follow the precaution. One of the common things what is people are missing now, going out, and whether we can start exercising. Because gyms and everything are closed. Okay, so what we can do? Which kind of? So definitely you can start exercise. Do as much as possible at home. In fact, as Menon sir said that I am a ultra marathon runner. Can you imagine for 4 months if I'm not running, what I am feeling? Because I used to, last marathon I ran, which was 50 kilometers. Okay, and this year I was going to run the ultra marathon 90 kilometers, and all my practice was going on. So again, you must be wondering in this busy schedule how I'm finding time to do marathon practice. So again, we can discuss separately. As I said, if you are really interested, you will always find out time to do the things. Okay. So people ask whether we should go out for jogging, running. Yes, you can go. But if you ask my honest advice, avoid till July end. Because the cases are still rising. So please avoid, because you don't know, as I said, a lot of people who are jogging, now there's confusion whether we should jog with the mask on or mask down. Now, again, it's not a win-win situation. Why? Because if you are running with the mask on, what is happening? Your consumption of oxygen reduces by 30%. If you are wearing very thick mask, it will reduce by 30 to 40%. So what happens? Your lung capacity then slowly gets affected. Okay, there was a story, one person who ran with the mask ultimately collapsed and he landed into emergency. So running with mask on and doing long run is not advisable. Okay, you can go for a brisk walk or jog very slowly because you are not used to jogging with the mask on. Try to understand that. Now, other thing what people do when they're running, they will put their mask down and they run. So again, there are 2 risks. What is the risk? If he is the carrier, he will spread the infection. And suppose if he is not the carrier, What happens if the person who is running without mask, suppose he is carrier and he coughs or something, and because you two people are running in the same direction, and what happens, he coughs or something and that virus is there in the air and you enters that zone immediately, and because you are running you will breathe heavily, again that virus will enter inside. So again there is a risk. So as far as possible try to avoid till July. If not, go wear the mask, but don't do any brisk activity to your mask on. Don't go for long run. Maybe you can balance. Now you ask me how I'm doing. I practice little bit of running at home. If you ask me what is the longest distance I've ran home, Maran sir, longest distance which I ran home.
Sir, I don't know, but it should be substantial. 100% it should be substantial.
So I have ran around up to 18 kilometers.
Wow. Ghar ke
At home.
andar.
Okay. So that where there's a will, you can always find ways to do it.
Doctor sir.
But again, don't follow and don't do that because we are used to. So we did that. But again, that once in a while I do. But averagely 5 kilometers, if you walk or jog at home, it's sufficient.
Doctor sir.
But again, home is not the ideal place to do jog because you are jogging without shoes. Plus, surface is hard. So again, it will affect your joints. Okay. But walking is very good. But do some activity at home. Don't be idle. Otherwise, क्या आप खाते जाओगे खाली? Surprisingly, no, a lot of my friends, they have put on weights. Okay, not surprisingly, it's expected. But surprisingly, I've lost weight. So again, so we have lost weight and somebody has gained. So it's a universe. कोई किसको ज़्यादा मिलता है, किसको कम मिलता है. So anyway, so again, so I'm making the use of the time here. So at home now, what I'm doing, because I know I cannot run, so we are doing a lot of workouts or your leg workouts and all those things which we are doing very hard workouts at home. So we are strengthening our muscles so much that eventually will be beneficial in doing this. So that's what I say. When the situation arises, learn to adapt to the situation. Don't keep on crying. Boss, भाग नहीं सकता हूँ, तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है जिंदगी में. Always remember in life, 80% of the time, the things will not happen which you want to happen. Always remember, 80% of the time, the things will not happen the way you want to happen. Only 20% of the time, the things will happen the way you want. But the life still goes on. Okay. So, pay attention to this. Learn to adapt yourself, and those people who adapt, they will eventually win, because the only permanent thing in life is change. Again a paradox statement, मतलब funny statement है. Only thing is permanent, वो change है. So eventually हर इंसान को you have to adapt to this change. Change मतलब क्या? बदलाव. You have to keep on changing. किसने सोचा था कोरोना आएगा and we'll have to have so much of modification in our life. Okay, so please pay attention to this. So whenever you're doing it, but you need to do some kind of activities. So follow this precaution. Now again, coming to small question, especially females will ask me, डॉक्टर साहब हम लोग को भाजी पाला लेके आते हैं, अब इसको क्या करने का? Can we immediately consume? So ideally, if you have sufficient time, whatever things you bring from outside, जैसे सब्जी लेके आ गए, कुछ लेके आ गए, so 3 hours you keep at one side. So you see that sufficient stock you are bringing, कि 3 hours हमने साइड में रख दिया, because virus 3 hours तक स्टेबल रहता है. After that उसका जो वायरुलेंस होता है बहुत कम हो जाता है. Then you can use it ideally. अभी समझो कभी अर्जेंसी हो गया, हमको यूज करना है, then wash it properly. Now again there is a lot of school of thoughts. हम wash किससे करें? With what we shall. So some people are saying we are washing with soda khar, soda bicarb, चल जाएगा. But even simple plain water washing is good enough. Nowadays you have in market something जो is specially made for washing vegetables and fruits, that you can use. But preferably 3 hours avoid karo and then wash and then have. Okay, so that's the ideal thing. Whatever you bring from outside, keep for at least 3 hours and then use it. Urgency hai to wash, clean it properly and then use it. Okay. One of the common question people ask me now, whether we can eat non-veg. Okay, I don't know, बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो non-veg खाते होंगे, तो non-veg खाना safe है क्या ये period में? So again, there's a myth that non-veg is not safe, but yes, you can eat, but especially if you're going for seafood items, then you need to be careful because seafood में contamination होने का chances ज़्यादा होता है. But again, once you bring, if you clean, wash, and anyway you're going to cook it. So once it is in the heat, all the virus and bacteria gets killed. So that way it is safe. But yes, coming to a question whether we can eat, you can definitely eat. Okay. So these are the way forward what you need to adopt yourself. Good protein diet is very important. Fresh fruits are very important. Healthy diet is very important. And due to corona, it is एक चीज तो अच्छा हुआ, वो जंक फूड का क्रेज खत्म हो गया है. जंक फूड का क्रेज खत्म हो गया है. I never find people, small children now craving for vada pavs and pizzas and all. Okay, so and 4 months we have survived, no? So life में, as I said, you have to adapt to the situation, and many of the people has been beautifully adapt to the situation, and that's how we are getting saved. Now, way forward, in terms of treatment, there were few drugs which were very important, but they were not available for treatment. I'm not going to details of which are the drugs, but some drugs which are very important are now available, but they are in acute shortage. So what we're expecting, I am regular touch with the head of these companies, pharmaceutical companies, and we are expecting by end of July or first week of August, we will have decent stock. So at least it will cover at least majority of the patient. Okay, so that's why I said till July end we have to take care, because when these products are available, so at least you are sure. See, first you have to take precaution. Agar hua to bhi, then there are sufficient treatments available. So your mortality rate goes down. Okay, so that's why we will be able to curtail it. Okay. Other question people will ask, sir, ये कब तक चलेगा? We are tired. कब तक चलेगा? Take it from me. आपको दिसंबर तक ये ऐसे ही रहने वाला है. Things will start improving. But अगर आपको चाहिए normal life एकदम कब होगा? दिसंबर के पहले होना थोड़ा difficult है. Still you have to go with precautions and others. Only hope we are expecting the vaccine. Another question will be, vaccine कब आएगा? So vaccine we are expecting maybe by August, and some initial vaccines will be available. But if you ask me the question, availability of this vaccine, if we are very positive, somewhere in September, October, we are expecting the initial vaccines to become, but by the time it is coming to the market, so it will be again somewhere between October to December. And once that comes, I think so by next year, then your life will start getting on the regular track. Okay. So friends, with this, I think I've covered most of the common points which are day-to-day life, very important for people in general. Again, prevention is very important for all of you, because 90% of you patient, if you take these preventive actions, they will not be affected. So you will be helping not only yourself, but you will be helping to the society, and you will helping to the nation as such, because there is so much of burden on the country itself. So your contribution will be very high. As I said, even one person decides that I will obey all those things, you can motivate so many others. Okay. So don't ever think, agar if I am not doing, it will not, it doesn't matter. Always think the other way. If I am following, the people will follow me. Okay. So Menon sir, I'm open to now questions. If they want anything medical information also, I'll be very happy, but I'm not sure कितना लोग को medical knowledge चाहिए. But और भी कुछ लगा तो आप questions मुझे पूछिए, आपके प्रश्न पूछिए. We have maybe 10 minutes or so, we can definitely devote for that.
So one of the most इससे सबसे important message जो डॉक्टर साहब बता रहे हैं कि आप अकेला कर सकते हैं तो दुनिया बदल सकते हो. आप ऐसा मत सोचिए कि मैं अकेला है, उससे फर्क क्या पड़ेगा. आई थिंक ईच वन ऑफ अस अगर हम करें तो वी कैन मेक ए बिग डिफरेंस. डॉक्टर पवार, आई वुड आल्सो लाइक टू टेल यू दैट टुडे वी हैव अमंग अस डॉक्टर विनोद नायर, हु इज एन ENT, and also just like you, he has studied management because he wanted to understand the entire business cycle and perspective among the audience. We have somebody as very high as Mr. KC Shetty sir, who is the president of Bund Sangha. Right, we have somebody like Anjay ji. I'm sorry, I can't read everybody. Anjay ji is the head of MSME Samadhan, and he's been helping micro and small medium enterprises, himself an entrepreneur, right? I also said my not my blood sister, but I really admire Ms. Jayashree Iyer, Gani. So a lot of people, I'm sorry, I'm not able to take everybody's name here. Thank you very much. A very healthy mix. So Sunday, we will do it like this only. Next Sunday also, I'm going to do something special, right, which is going to appeal to society. My first question to all of you all today, and this is to you, Dilip sir, very personal question from a dear colleague here. Don't you feel scared when you treat positive patients?
Yeah. So I think other way around. In fact, very good question you have asked. In fact, when it was announced that government needs doctors, so a lot of my friends were into private sector, and in fact in the corporate I'm the only one doctor who is doing this. Even those my friends who are into private hospitals, they have shut down the clinic. Will the risk क्यों लेने का? Why to take risk? Okay. Then I give them example. जो Indian soldiers होते हैं, वो भी border पे जाके लड़ाई करते हैं ना, correct? अगर वो भी सोचे कि रिस्क क्यों लेने का, वो भी घर बैठ जाएंगे. Then what they replied, नहीं, सोल्जर का तो काम ही वो है, और उसको पता था जब वो ज्वाइन करता है कि मुझे फ्रंट पे लड़ना है, बराबर. तो मैंने भी आंसर दिया. तो हमने भी तो वो लिया है कि जब भी पेशेंट को रिक्वायर्ड होगा, जब भी कंट्री को रिक्वायर्ड होगा, हमें भी आगे आना है. So there is always an answer. If you want to run away, you can always run away. Then I ask myself, see, that's what you all friends should learn. God will give you opportunity once. Okay, now it's up to you. Accept the challenge and भिड़ जाने का या भाग जाने का. Choice is yours. But I'm the category that I will never ever run away. Right from my earlier days. So we are the ones that we started. In fact, I had a very big discussion with my entire friend circles who were shutting their clinic, and then so after a huge discussion, I told them that this is a time where at least you start your own clinic and start at least treating that few number of patients, because what was happening, everybody was rushing to government hospital where their exposure was very high. Okay, so after my discussion, at least 40% people then started their clinic. Okay, yes. So coming to your exact question, whether I was afraid, to be honest with you, for a momentary, I was concerned, not afraid. But then I said, somebody has to take the lead. And if you want to see the change, you have to take the lead. So and that's why I said I was the second doctor in Maharashtra who joined actually. Nobody forced me. And I have all the valid reasons for not to go. अरे I'm in corporate, मैं busy हूँ, इतना meetings है, इतना project है, ये वो time ही नहीं है. But I'm still managing that and still I'm working because I felt that my country needs me, my people needs me, my society needs me, and whatever I'm today is not only 100% my contribution. All these people, all this, somewhere in their life had played a role, and now is the time that you have to give them back. And that's why I said, if God will give you opportunity, accept that, do it. And when your goals are high, where your intentions are good, nothing will happen to you.
So as Mahatma Gandhi says, be the change you want to see in others. So Dr. Sir has followed that philosophy. Some good questions, but already answered. How should we take care of vegetables that are brought from outside? Sir has answered this 3 hours limitation. Right, very good question. What is the percentage of teens, according to you, that are getting infected, sir? Is it high or low? Percentage of teens.
Okay. So, percent of the teens and teenagers, the percentage of people who are coming to hospital are very less than maybe 10%. Okay, but the percentage of carriers are high because teens, what happened? Your immune system is strong. So you may, and teens, what happened? Teens usually don't like to follow discipline. So if you see a lot of teens will walk without mask, do cycling without mask, go out without mask, because they feel हमको कुछ नहीं होगा. Agree, आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, लेकिन आपके वजह से और 10 को होगा. Okay, so percent of carriers in teens are quite high, or maybe 30%, 20%, more than 20%. But the person who was getting infected in hospital are very less, but they're infected, so they need treatment. Okay, And the drawback that they become carrier. So the other people who are elderly citizens or with comorbid condition, जैसे जिसको diabetes है, अस्थमा है, respiratory disease है, वो बेचारे को आप disease दे दोगे, आप तो बच गए, उसको फंसा दिया. So isn't it wrong? Yes, that's why even teens should take precaution.
It's a wonderful question from a dear colleague and incidentally one of the sponsors of Hunger Collective. Can corona come to a person again after completing treatment? Kishore asked this question.
Yes, a very good question. So in general, what happens? Corona is a viral infection. So once a virus infection takes place, then antibodies are developed. Okay. Now antibodies are developed, so that will take care, and that's why वो plasma therapy है ना, तो उसमें हम लोग antibodies लेके दूसरे patient को treat करेंगे. But that doesn't mean जिसको करना हो गया वो बिंदास without mask वास्क घूमते रहे, because there are different strains of viruses. And recently we had a case, the person who had corona infection, he was treated, negative हो गया, उसको वापस हुआ. Okay, so a small percent of people may get reinfected. The percentage is very less, but you never know who is that person. Okay, so please, even after having infection, you need to follow the precautions. We have seen those cases, so chances are there. Plus, after infection, there are a lot of post-infection complications. Okay, जैसे respiratory disease हो जाते हैं उनको, fibrosis हो जाता है, cardiac disease हो रहा है. Okay, so you need to again take precautions. Okay, but reinfection of percentage will be definitely less, but not zero. Very clear.
Fantastic, sir. Fantastic. Some very good questions which I can directly answer. Is yoga and pranayam good? Of course, it is good. I don't think you need doctor to say that. Should we avoid vada pav? It is an anonymous attendee. बेटे मेरे को बाहर मिलना, मैं इसका आंसर आपको पर्सनल में देता हूँ. Should we avoid vada pav? Right, sir. A wonderful question, sir. Right, sir. Some are telling sanitizers से cancer होता है. Is it true? Sanitizer से cancer होता है. Is it true?
No, sanitizer से कोई cancer नहीं होता है. It is just alcohol. So you need to just wipe your hand. Okay, so that's it. So sometime I've seen people, you know, sanitizer से वो face को भी massage करते हैं. So avoid that. Okay, sanitize only, try to use your hand, because sanitizer can go into your eyes and all, then it will have you know, damage your eyes. So don't apply on your face, because we saw some patient over enthusiastic, उनको लगता है पूरा body में लगा देगा तो कवच मिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, so sanitize only your hand. Coming to question, cancer होता है नहीं होता है, but yes, pertaining to this question, there are some ultraviolet rays का एक concept आया है. They are having ultraviolet rays का concept, a walk-in chamber जिसमें से हम लोग walk करेंगे ultraviolet rays. Yes, with that chance of getting cancers are high, and that's why we don't advise ultraviolet rays sanitization.
So wonderful question. We have a 3-month baby in our house. What extra precaution should we take? 3-month baby.
Now, for 3 months, and one God's gift is the small children. They usually, by and large, will not get corona infection. All pediatrics, बच्चे लोग, some are still getting, but by and large, if you see the percentage, it's very, very less. Why? Because when the coronavirus enters in your body, they require a particular receptors, an enzyme. So क्या होता है? ये coronavirus जाके इसको चिपक जाता है. So that is a medium. Okay, that is an enzyme. And वो enzyme जाके उसको receptor पे लेके जाता है, which is the lungs. And there it starts multiplying. Okay, so that enzyme is not developed in small children. It is very immature. So the percent of virus getting affected, multiplication is very, very less. So by and large, they are safe. But yes, that doesn't mean, I said, that doesn't mean you should be not taking precaution. So still precaution should be there. अगर 3 महीने का छोटा बच्चू है, up to 6 month बच्चू लोग हो गए, so avoid too much of close contacts except mother and maybe father, the direct. So don't go in too much of contact with this baby. And if father is going working out or something, then avoid close contacts. Let mother handle the baby. Okay, the babies continue with the multivitamins, tonics, what the doctor must have prescribed. Their Cipon hoga, एक multivitamins drops हो गए, that all continue. Breastfeeding is very important for such babies, because in breastfeeding you get a lot of immunoglobulins. जो immunity जो होता है ना, so that you will get maximum in breast milk, जो आपको market का milk में नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, So breastfeeding is very important in such small thing. Avoid close contacts, and whoever comes from outside, they have to take bath. As I said already, before that, don't touch the babies and all. Okay, so this way you can avoid cross infection. Okay, as far as avoid coming close contact with the small babies, नहीं तो छोटा बच्चा है तो उसको हम लोग के एटीट्यूड होता है कि उसको लेके बैठे, किस करते बैठे, छोटा बच्चा है, but avoid that except mother. Okay, and one good point, pediatric population are less affected compared to adults because that enzyme system is not developing that. Okay.
Sir, can you please tell us some starting symptoms of COVID? Can you please tell us some?
Yeah, very good question.
Dheeraj sir, very good.
Yeah. So as I said, 30 to 40% लोगों को कोई symptom नहीं आता है. Okay, no symptoms at all. So that we call as asymptomatic positive cases. जो symptom नहीं है, but asymptomatic, मतलब symptom बिल्कुल नहीं है, but they can only transmit the disease to others. So ये category को निकाल दो, उसको zero symptom होगा. Now when this disease started, okay, the common symptoms क्या क्या थे? Generally it was started with having cough, little bit of cold, but cough was very common. Okay, cold and fever. So if you ask the common symptoms, cough, fever was very common. But then as we came to know the many patients, some of the classical, if you see of these symptoms, lot of people, they will get very mild fever, and usually typically इसका high grade fever नहीं होता है, low grade fever होता है. Okay, but lot of weakness is there. एक classical symptom है. If somebody says कि थोड़ा fever है या थोड़ा, but weakness बहुत है, then it's your more disinfection. Okay, very high amount of weakness. Other severe backache or body ache. These are again very important symptoms of this. A lot of people will come. One of the person had no other symptoms, only severe backache. So much backache that he cannot sleep, and he became positive. Okay, so these are the symptoms. The other classical symptoms, which is very specific for this, is the loss of smell. Suddenly क्या होता है ना, patient को बोलते हैं मुझे smell किसी चीज का नहीं आ रहा है. This is classical for this. Okay, now we are getting few cases, those who have diarrhea as a symptom. Okay, this is again classical for this. Now people are getting little diarrhea, little fever and diarrhea, classical of this disease. Okay, now recently in last say 1 month, we are getting a new symptom, that is abdominal pain. Okay, abdominal pain. It is not classical for this, but now patient have reported with abdominal pain and they are tested positive. Okay, so these are the common symptoms of this infection. But the classical where you have to pay attention: weakness, body ache, backache, loss of smell. Okay, these are the classical pertaining and all other symptoms. Okay.
Sir, a question from very dear colleague Hitenji. What extra precautions should be taken by diabetes patients if they have to go out for work purposes?
Okay, so as I said, diabetes is one of the biggest comorbid condition. Okay, so they need to be extra careful. Now, very good question, what extra precaution they have to take? So first and foremost, see that your diabetes is under control. अगर आपका diabetes control में नहीं है, so then it's a big challenge. So you have to see that your diabetes is in control. And how it can be controlled? There are 2 or 3 ways you can directly control. First and foremost, of course, your drug therapy. So whatever your drug schedule is there, continue with that treatment. But I always tell people, try to reduce the dose. And how we can do that? There are 2 most important in diabetes. See, diabetes is nothing but more sugar in your body. That is simple definition of diabetes. More sugar क्यों है? Because उसका utilization body में नहीं हो रहा है. Utilization क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Because हमारा output नहीं है उतना. हमारे input ज़्यादा है, लेकिन output कम है. इसलिए body में sugar रहता है. शुगर क्या होता है? धीरे धीरे तुम्हारा लिवर है, इधर है, वो जाके डिपॉजिट होता है सब सेल्स में. अगर कांस्टेंट तुम डायबिटीज लाइक अ रूम, ओके, उसको एक दरवाजा है. आपने खाना खाया, शुगर हो गया, दरवाजा खुलता है, शुगर सेल के अंदर जाता है, दरवाजा बंद होता है, ब्लड का शुगर कम हो जाता है, तो नो डायबिटीज. पर ग्रेजुअली क्या होता है ना, तुम्हारा सेल्स के अंदर इतना शुगर हो जाता है कि दरवाजा खुलता ही नहीं है, ऑलरेडी पैक्ड हो गया अंदर, तो शुगर किधर रहेगा? ब्लड में घूमेगा. that is diabetes. So what you have to do, two important things. One, very strict diet control. That plays a very important role in diabetes. And next is your lifestyle modification, in which your exercise is very important. And somebody, they are smoking and all, please, please, please stop that. Anyone who is doing that, please stop that, because that affects your lungs and this becomes a comorbid condition. So diabetes, please control your sugar, strict diet control, exercise. These are the most important thing. And they should take steam inhalation at least 3 to 4 times a day.
One last question, sir. But a lot of questions. Thank you, all of you all. There's paucity of time because Dr. Pava is a very busy person. So last question, and then there'll be a last comment. Sir, you've got a big surprise. Somebody has given you praise. Somebody who knows you very, very well. Sir, if, one last question. If a patient is affected by COVID, is it necessary to get admitted in hospital, or can the patient simply take precautions at home?
Very good question. So now what we're doing, if the patient has no symptoms, then of course there is no requirement to go anywhere. They can stay at home, but quarantine themselves for 14 days. Even those who have mild symptoms, mild, जैसे कि cough है, mild fever है, या loss है, very mild, and the patient is young, no comorbid condition, diabetes नहीं, कुछ नहीं है, okay? We will treat those patients at home. Now home quarantine is allowed. आप घर पे रहिए, एक room separate रखिए अपने लिए, and we usually send them the treatment. If somebody needs that help, I can help them. तो उसको बोलते हैं home quarantine and treated. Now there are a lot of hospitals who treat via home quarantine. Why this is important? Because the moment if this minor case or mild case goes to a hospital, what happens? You go in a hospital where the viral load is very high. Okay, तो आप लो वायरल लोड से हाई वायरल लोड में चले गए, तो क्या होगा? आपका the number of days you will take to recover will be longer, because now आपका viral load धीरे धीरे high हो रहा है. Okay, so avoid that. So yes, we can treat this patient at home. There is no compulsion that you have to go. Home quarantine is allowed, and these are the large number of cases which can be treated at home. Only those with comorbid condition or जिसको ज़्यादा symptoms आ गया है, they needs to be admitted.
Sorry, one very important question. Is it important to monitor oxygen at regular intervals? There's a question.
Yeah. So for general people, there is absolutely no requirement to monitor that pulse oximeter. For general people, there's no need to fear. Okay. But yes, those who are positive, okay, for them, we ask them to monitor the pulse oximeter. Why? Because sometimes there can be fluctuation. Okay. And those with comorbid condition, then definitely they should monitor. Okay, it's a simple device called pulse oximeter. But in general, don't be so much of panicked and don't keep on monitoring yourself.
So one very important question. I'm sorry, I'm smiling because I just got a small cat home which was about to be attacked by a dog. So there's a question which somebody has asked. That's why I'm smiling. Does corona spread through animals?
No, the latest data what it shows, it does not spread through animals. Okay, but I always tell you take precautions. Okay, don't too much do fondling and all those things. Avoid. But the direct references it is not spreading. But there are 1 or 2 incidences where a tiger was affected by coronavirus. Okay, so better take precaution.
Okay, so I'm happy, sir. I got a small kitten home. So now I've got something to tell my parents also. And sir, the last comment is from your batchmate from ITM, Nikita Mehtaji. She knows you very well.
Yeah, she's very nice.
Batch, and she says something. I'm so proud to have Dilip sir as my classmate, and she says something for all of us. As said by Dr. Dilip, just to speak, Sati Haath Badhana is a social responsibility. Make others aware. This is the only way. Right, Corona harega, India jitega. Proud to be a friend of Dr. Dilip. I would say, sir, we are all blessed to have you at this platform.
Thank you
very, very much. Thank you very, very much. Right, unlike me, my wife speaks very little, but still she wants to say some few words to you personally, and of course, say Ashlesha also.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dilip. Thank you. हा एवढा छोटा शब्द आहे, तुम्ही जेवढा नॉलेज शेअर केला It is like listening to the Bhagavad Gita from God Krishna himself. So thank you so much, sir. We are all blessed from all my students and the entire audience here. Thank you so much for your precious time.
So with this, we stop today's class. Thank you, sir. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you all for your patient listening.
Right, sir. This has been an amazing class. I think all of you all will notice every Sunday we will do something to spread some literacy in society. Thank you, Gani, for this lovely advice that, sir, talk something beyond business. Thank you very much, sir. You can see all the chat. Just spends 2-3 minutes. This is for Ashlesha ji and of course for Dr. Pawar. Please look at the chat, all of you all. Please chat, all of you all. So these are Rahul Pai is again our student from SP Jain. So it's a wonderful. Govind is from SP Jain. So there's a healthy mix of young students who are in school and college and business magnates. So all of them are there, right? Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Namaskar to all of you all. Pawar sir, please keep sending messages, sir. You keep inspiring me in the night.
Yeah. Thank you so much. We'll do that.
Every now and then when you say I have donated so much, I have done so much, I get even more inspired, sir. Thank you very, very much. Right. And can I just say something, sir, to both Ashlesha ji and Dr. Pawar? I'm blessed to know you all. That's all I can say. I'm blessed to know you all. Namaste, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir, so much. Thanks.
Sir.